In this video, we will learn how to create waterfall chart in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here simple data, financial year and profit. So I select the full data first and click on the insert tab. Here you can see in charts group in third option of charts, just click on this arrow, you get the waterfall chart. Just click on it, chart is created. When you see here the amount also mentioned here, profit amount also mentioned here. So I want to remove this amount, just click on the plus sign. Here you can see the data labels, just untick it, the amount is removed. Okay, if you want to edit something, just select the chart. Here you can see the tab is added chart design, so you can change here the your chart style to enter, to click on this any chart. So if you want to change the colors, just click on this arrow, you can change color as you want. Okay, so if you want to add chart elements, you can add here, and this element also you can add from here also. Just click on the plus sign, the same elements available here. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.